Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Ryobi Leaf Blower is probably one of the most versatile tools for any homeowner looking to keep their yard pristine. From clearing leaves in the fall to tidying up after a spring cleanup, this blower promises efficiency and ease. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, performance, and overall value of the Ryobi Leaf Blower, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Number 5. Ryobi OBL18JB18V Jet Blower Kit. This is the Ryobi OBL18JB blower. It's a powerful tool designed to make yard work easier. This blower is a great choice for anyone who needs to clear leaves and debris. The blower runs on an 18V battery, providing cordless convenience. It offers plenty of power for various tasks around the yard, making the job easier. It features turbine jet technology for maximum airflow. This design helps to generate a strong and consistent stream of air, making it highly efficient. The blower can reach air speeds up to 160 km/h. This high speed allows it to quickly and effectively clear leaves, grass clippings, and other debris. It delivers an air volume of 7.9 cubic meters min. This high volume ensures that it can move a large amount of air, making your work more efficient. The kit includes a 4.0 Ah battery for extended use. This means you can work longer without needing to recharge, saving you time and effort. What we like. This blower features a powerful turbine jet, delivering impressive air speed. It is also cordless, offering ultimate portability. If you have a large yard or need to clear debris quickly, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. Works great and saves time compared to sweeping. Lightweight and easy to use make this perfect for me. Powerful enough to move lots of material, including caked-up dirt and leaves as well as some rocks. For those with leaves covering your grass, this baby will blow it away. I even use it to blow out leaves from under plants in the flower bed and get rid of old mulch. Number 4. Ryobi One Plus 18V Cordless Leaf Blower. Introducing the Ryobi One Plus 18V Cordless Leaf Blower. It's a powerful tool designed to make yard work easier. This blower features a variable speed trigger. It gives you control up to 100 miles per hour and 280 CFM. The best part is that it works with the Ryobi One Plus 18V battery. You can use it with over 100 other tools. It also includes a debris scraper. This helps loosen stubborn dirt and leaves. Please note that the battery and charger are sold separately. This item is bulk packaged. What we like. This blower has a variable speed trigger, giving you control over the airflow. It is also compatible with the One Plus system, so you can use the same battery with other tools. If you are looking for a versatile blower for various tasks, this one is perfect. What people say. It blows away leaves and debris like nobody's business, leaving the yard looking fresh and tidy. It's light and has just enough power to get the job done. This blower is light, cordless, and powerful enough to blow all the leaves away. Number 3. Ryobi 40V Cordless Jet Fan Leaf Blower. This leaf blower delivers an impressive 110 miles per hour and 525 CFM. It's designed to make yard work a breeze, efficiently clearing leaves and debris. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation with this 40-volt lithium-ion blower. It allows you to move around your yard without being tethered to an outlet. The variable speed feature gives you complete control. You can adjust the power to match the task, from delicate flower beds to heavy leaf piles. This is a bare tool, meaning the battery and charger are not included. It's a great option if you already have Ryobi 40V batteries. This blower is designed for ease of use and maneuverability. It's lightweight and comfortable to handle, making yard work less of a chore. What we like. This blower boasts a high CFM, ensuring efficient debris removal. It runs on 40-volt power for extended use. If you need a blower for heavy-duty tasks and larger areas, this is the one to consider. What people say. The blower is lightweight and easy to handle. It has plenty of power for blowing leaves and debris. The variable speed trigger is a nice feature. Number 2. Ryobi One Plus 18V Cordless Leaf Blower Sweeper, renewed. This is the Ryobi One Plus 18V Cordless Leaf Blower Sweeper. It's a bare tool, meaning it doesn't come with a battery or charger. This allows you to use it with your existing Ryobi One Plus system. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation with this blower sweeper. It's powered by the Ryobi One Plus 18V battery system, making it easy to move around your yard without being tethered to an outlet. This blower sweeper provides enough power to clear leaves and debris from your lawn, sidewalks, and driveways. It's a great tool for keeping your outdoor spaces tidy. This product is renewed, meaning it has been inspected and restored to full working condition. You can get a reliable tool at a great value. As part of the Ryobi One Plus system, this tool is compatible with a wide range of batteries and chargers. It's a versatile addition to your collection of tools. What we like. This blower is lightweight and easy to handle. It is also cordless, providing freedom of movement. If you like a hassle-free experience and need a reliable tool, this renewed option is a great value. What people say. The blower is lightweight and easy to handle. It has plenty of power for blowing leaves and debris. The battery life is good, allowing me to complete my yard work without needing to recharge. Number 1. Ryobi One Plus 18V Cordless Leaf Blower, Bare Tool. Introducing the Ryobi One Plus 18V Cordless Leaf Blower. This bare tool is perfect for your yard work. It features a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to handle. This design is ideal for use on hard surfaces. This blower can blast away leaves and debris with ease. It delivers up to 200 CFM and 90 miles per hour. Please note that the battery and charger are not included. You will need to provide your own. This item is bulk packaged, meaning it is removed from retail packaging. It will arrive in a generic box. What we like. This blower features a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver. It is ideal for use on hard surfaces. If you are looking for a blower for quick cleanups on patios, driveways, or sidewalks, this is a great choice. What people say. It uses the same 18V battery that my Ryobi Edger weeder uses. It's perfect for me because it's lightweight. It is a lightweight blower, easy to use and assemble and great for light work like blowing freshly mowed grass off the sidewalk or driveway. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.